Good morning. Day 4 on quarantine. So I got my friends. So I've been feeding them some extra rice. So my bird friends are here visiting, keeping me company on day 4 on the quarantine. So yesterday they're quite afraid to come over, and I'll be leaning here on the side in the window. They can see me, I think. They're looking at me. See? So now they're comfortable coming over na. So here's the view on my hotel room. I'm on the 5th floor at Trip Hotel by Wyndham here in Seaside in Mall of Asia. So you can see those white spots. Those are not garbage. Those are birds. See? Abinako, I thought first it was garbage floating, but fortunately those are birds. See, they're flying. They're resting and they're flying all around the bay. So there's a lot of them. They're flying. There you go, there you go. So good sign that the Manila Bay is getting cleaner. So there's still few garbage you can see floating, but compared to years ago, now it's really, there's a big difference. So this is Manila Bay, and on the far I'll zoom, there's a cruise ship dock, although there's no passengers, of course, but it got quarantined here in Manila. So that's the area yesterday for my time-lapse sunset. And again, day 4 quarantine, nice view, and my birds are not here. They ate all of the rice. I'll put some rice again. I got extra rice, the one that I did not eat, so I'll give it to them. Where are they at? They're on the other side. See? So I'll open the door. The window, the eye. Hold on. I'm gonna feed my birds. Okay, so it's open. And here, hopefully the management will not see my post. So we want to share extra food to the birds. Oh, they're checking the air conditioning units. Hopefully they not see me. So that's Manila Bay. And again, this is Dale, Elad's love. Be safe, spread love, be positive, and be kind. Have a nice day. Click subscribe and share. Thank you.